When winter weather hits, panic doesn't help. Preparation does. And with a major cold snap and winter storm expected across much of the U.S. this week, into the weekend, and the first half of next week, now is the time to buckle down and ride it out. This isn't about panic, and it's not about worst-case scenarios. It's about simple, practical steps that help you stay safe, comfortable, and prepared if winter weather disrupts daily life. Let's walk through a calm, common-sense checklist you can use today. Start by checking on others. Check in on elderly neighbors, check on shut-ins, check on anyone with special needs. A simple call or knock can make the difference between inconvenience and emergency. If you have a generator, make sure it's ready and that you have fuel on hand. If you don't, think about alternative power options. Fuel vehicles before the storm arrives. Charge phones, battery packs, and essential electronics. During outages, conserve power and use devices only when needed. Prep by filling buckets with water or even a spare bathtub before the storm hits. If pipes freeze or water service is disrupted, especially if your home relies on a well pump that runs on electricity, having stored water can help with flushing toilets, washing hands, and even basic cooking needs. Make sure you have reliable light sources like flashlights and fresh batteries. Keep emergency blankets available to retain warmth. If using alternative heat sources, ensure proper ventilation at all times. Confirm carbon monoxide detectors are working and have fresh batteries. Warmth without safety is not warmth, it's risk. Stock shelf-stable food that doesn't require refrigeration. Refill prescriptions early and keep basic over-the-counter medicines on hand. Don't forget pets. Make sure you have enough food, water, and supplies for them as well. Plan safe emergency cooking options ahead of time. If you need to go outside, rock salt or ice melt can help prevent slips and falls. The best plan is staying home, but always prepare for the exception. Many of the items shown in this video are linked in the description below. Those links go to products available on Amazon, and some are affiliate links that help support this channel at no extra cost to you. Before you settle in, let's do one last quick run-through. Check on elderly neighbors, shut-ins, and anyone with special needs. Make sure power is covered, generators, fuel, and fully charged devices. Store water ahead of time, especially if you rely on an electric well pump. Have flashlights, fresh batteries, and emergency blankets ready. Use alternative heat safely, with proper ventilation and working carbon monoxide detectors. Stock shelf-stable food, basic cooking options, and over-the-counter medicine. Don't forget pets, food, water, and supplies for them too. And if you have to step outside, rock salt can help keep things safe. Preparation doesn't mean panic. It means fewer surprises, less stress, and more control when the weather turns. Buckle down, ride it out, and if you can, help someone else do the same. If you found this helpful, please consider liking the video, subscribing to the channel, and sharing it with someone who might need it. And feel free to leave a comment, whether it's something I may have missed or a lesson you learned from a winter storm or cold snap of your own.